Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember we made these last time? In this episode, I'm showing you guys how I'm going to be incorporating these into a dish. First things first, you're going to start by slicing one onion, chopping up spring onion, a few cloves of garlic, a stick of ginger, throw in a few sprigs of thyme, and I'm using canned tomato relish. So for this particular recipe, I'm using cut short rib. You can use any suitable stewing beef that works for you. I just wanted to use this because that's what I had. First things first, you season with salt and pepper as per usual, and then we're gonna throw in all our spices and then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. At this stage, you want to make sure all the pieces of meat are coated with spice and then set it aside just to marinate for a few minutes before you start searing it off. For searing purposes, I'm using a wok. I feel like it's more effective for me. It'll give my meat that nice brown color that I'm looking for. But you can use any pot or pan as long as you don't overcrowd. At this point, I'm going to transfer everything into an oven dish. That's going to be in the oven for about 2 hours. If you want your meat to fall off the bones, you leave it for longer. Keep an eye on it. If you need to, add a little bit more stock as you go. So I'm going to seal everything in with this beautifully stolen banana leaf. Got it from my neighbors. Shout out. And then I will cover it with foil and just pop it in the oven for about 2 hours. At this point, everything is beautifully cooked. We're ready to serve. I will be serving this, yes, with my savory pancakes. And then I made a side of cucumber salsa for a bit of freshness. So good, so tasty, so yummy. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.